Hi. So, I said in my first video when I am question mark, whatever it is, I would never make some fake stupid, but I did it, and I don't know why. I don't know why. My face. I did it with my face. So, what you gotta do? See that tiger? Oh my god. I don't know. I don't know about you, and I want to play with my toys. So that's never gonna kind of rude. So let's go. That's about it. That's it. So wait, 84 seconds. Okay, wait for a minute or a second.